Hey guys, so this is another assignment that is due in about 2 weeks. It's about your future career research, and it should be reflecting based on what you're doing right now. Hopefully, it is based on that. And when you open it up, first thing that you will see is go to this website, and when you click that to answer question number 1 and 2, how it looks like is this. So you will actually see this. Make sure the sexes, both sexes, age group is 15 years and over. Change that to 15 to 24 years old. Okay, I will actually check that. So make sure the age group is between 15 and 24 rather than 15 and over. 15 and over is just too broad to take a look. Now, the first question is about Canada. So if you actually scroll down, there's Canada geography, labor force, etc. What you will focus on October 2018 to October 2019. Now, when you take a look at that, then it actually says unemployment rate, not the unemployment number. Take a look at the October 2018 to October 2019. And when you scroll down more, and then you can find something that you can answer your number 2, which is about the Ontario. So do the same thing, okay? If you are not sure which column is which, then you just have to go back all the way up and see which one's which, and then just scroll down to see what is the unemployment rate in Ontario, okay? That's very simple. Once you complete the question 2, which is very simple and easy, now go to then this job bank website. This actually tells you a lot of information about your future job. So what you need to do is go to the website, and when you go to the website and when you have this, make sure this is by occupation, not by wages or outlook, just the occupation. And then the occupation, you basically type whatever you like. So if you, let's say, want to become a pastor, then you just put the pastor and click the pastor instead of pastoral animator. Another thing is, if you want to become a police officer, then if you just put police, then there's a police chief, cadet, diver, captain, surgeon, officer, policeman, woman, and corporal, etc. Choose police officer. Now, for the province, territory, city, or postal code, just put Toronto for now. Okay, so if you put Toronto, then you'll actually see Toronto, Ontario, and you actually see these. So there's a summary tab, description tab, wages, outlooks, jobs, requirements, skills. So these are the tabs that you need to walk through to answer all those questions from question 3 to question 12. So as you can see, what is your occupation? What is the education requirement for your occupation? It's all there. How many jobs are available? It's all there too. Based on the job description, on the description tab, it says description tab. So that means you have to click the description tab on the top as I showed you. How much is the hourly, low, median, high wage for Canada, for Ontario, and for Toronto? So those are the 3 different locations. What is the median wage? Median means it's the middle. So I want you to calculate the yearly median wage. So what is the yearly median wage? And in order for you to calculate, you just multiply your hourly median wage by 2080, and that's going to give you whatever the value, and that's before the tax. Then go to the outlooks, and we're gonna end that under the jobs. What is the employment requirements, etc. for question 10. Question 11 asks to go to the skills. And that's it. Now for the question 12, in Scarborough, the average cost of living, we call COL or COL, is around 3,000 including housing, and that's for one person. Now this 3,000 does not include a car, so then that's something that you have to keep in mind. However, this one includes the TTC. So when you do so, then you have to go to this simple text calculator website. When you go there, it looks like this. So then province or territory is Ontario for us. Then the employment income is whatever that you found from one of those questions. Remember the question that you multiply the 2080 to hourly median wage? So let's say it is 50,000. And the rest you put 0 for all, or you can simply just leave them. I think that's completely fine too. It will pretty much give you the same answer anyway. And the income that you will actually receive after all those income tax, EI, CPP deductions is 38,979. That's the number that you have, or that's the section that you have to use to answer this question over here. So then find what your actual after tax yearly income, that's there. Now divide your answer then by 12. So for C, divided by 12, obviously, because you're looking for the monthly. And can you afford to live in Scarborough? So then compare whatever the answer in C to this 3,000. How much is the saving? or how much is the deficit, meaning how much is the shortage. And the rest is very simple. Reflection number 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you answer them in detail rather than saying just one line. Okay, I actually want a quality answer here, so make sure you do so. And then that's it pretty much. Now, when is this due? I want you to submit this one before December 1st.